Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog blankets that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the FurHaven Premium Fluffy Fleece Dog Blanket. An especially warm design of dog blanket, ideal for dogs with particularly short fur that may need that bit of extra help to get warm in the evening time. The FurHaven pet blankets are all vegan friendly, using polyester fabrics to help preserve your dog's body temperature. Not only does this fuzzy blanket work highly effectively for providing warmth, but there is also a double-layered option available for that extra bit of cushioning. Moving on, at number 4, we have the FurHaven ThermaNAP Faux Fur Self. A FurHaven's ThermaNAP dog blanket had multiple texture options, making it a versatile option for owners of dogs that are perhaps more sensitive to certain materials than others. This is a reversible design with a thick fleece on one side and a soft faux fur on the other. It is available in size styles as well as has 6 size options on the market, making it available to not just large dogs, but small, medium, and giant breeds as well. At number 3, we have the Pet Amy Waterproof Dog Blanket for Bed. The Pet Amy Waterproof Dog Blanket is arguably the best pet blanket on the market because it's a perfect combination of warmth, comfort, and easy maintenance. Made with 460 GSM of premium microfiber polyester, this thick blanket is 100% waterproof, meaning it can help protect your furniture and floors if accidents happen. Furthermore, it's equipped with Sherpa lining and microfiber fleece, making it soft and cozy, as well reversible, which is especially helpful in varying climates. At number 2, we have the Best Friends by Sheri Luxury Shag Dog Throw Blanket. Best Friends by Sheri is a brand known for its high-quality faux fur dog accessories from beds to blankets. This faux fur is specifically designed as a soothing tool for dogs, owing to its likeness to the dog's mother's fur. If you have a puppy that seems to be struggling to adjust to its new home, simply provide it with this super soft, super fluffy blanket for the perfect comforter. And finally, at number 1, we have the Kritter Planet Waterproof Pet Blanket. This POS waterproof blanket is worth considering for the top spot in this list of the best dog blankets. One side is constructed of thick, water-repellent microfleece that gives pets the warm comfort that they need while protecting the surfaces of your furniture, floor, and upholstery from accidents. The other side of the POS is constructed of Sherpa material, which gives it a totally different textural charm.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon